Hi children, welcome back to the online English classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Sabita Joseph, your English teacher. How are you children? Are you fine? I hope you all are safe and healthy. In the last class, we discussed a poem, My Garden, a beautiful poem. Did you recite the poem? Did you like it? Very good. Today, let us discuss the word meaning and question answers. My garden, word meaning. Every kind. Every kind means all kinds. What is spelling of every kind? E, V, E, R, Y, K, I, N, D. What is the meaning of every kind? It means all kinds. There was different kinds of roses are there in the garden. Next one, trim. Trim means neat and straight. What is the spelling of trim? T-R-I-M. Trim means neat and straight. The sunflowers are neat and straight. Next one, lawn. So what is the meaning of lawn? Lawn means a ground covered with short grass. Then what is the spelling of lawn? L-A-W-N. Lawn means a ground covered with short grass. Next one, velvet grass. Velvet grass. What is the meaning of velvet grass? It means soft grass which looks like velvet cloth. What is the meaning of velvet grass? It means soft grass which looks like velvet cloth. Then what is the spelling of velvet grass? V-E-L-V-E-T. Velvet. G-R-A-S-S, grass. Then what is the meaning of velvet grass? It is soft grass which looks like velvet cloth. Next one, so free. What is the meaning of so free? In this poem, it means free to fly in the garden. So free means free to fly in the garden. What is the spelling of so free? S-O-F-R-E-E. So free. Butterflies are so free. They are free to fly in the garden. Next one, frisky. Frisky means playful. What is the spelling of frisky? F-R-I-S-K-Y. Frisky means playful. The frisky squirrel sitting on the tree. Children, I hope you understood the word meaning. Write in your notebook, then study. Now let us discuss the question answers. First question. Which lines from the poem tell us that the speaker wants to spend a long time in her garden? What is the question? Which lines from the poem tell us that the speaker wants to spend a long time in her garden? So we need to find out the lines. Let's see the answer. I love to be there all the time and spend just hours and hours. What is the answer? I love to be there all the time. Here the poet wants to be there in the garden all the time and spend just hours and hours. She wanted to spend hours and hours in the garden. Let us see the second question. Which lines from the poem tell us that the grass is soft and green? What is the question? Which lines from the poem tell us that the grass is soft and green? What is the answer? So soft and oh my feet. What is the answer? So soft and oh so green. The lawn is so soft and it is so green. Like a carpet beneath my feet. Here the poet compares the lawn with the carpet. So these lines say that the grass is soft and green. Question number 3. Which lines from the poem tell us that there are many sparrows in the garden? What is the question? Which lines from the poem tell us that there are many sparrows in the garden? What is the answer? And sparrows, sparrows everywhere. What is the answer? And sparrows, sparrows everywhere. This line shows there are many sparrows in the garden. Let us see the fourth question. Which lines from the poem tell us that the butterflies are flying free? Which lines from the poem tell us that the butterflies are flying free? What is the answer? And butterflies so free. What is the answer? And butterflies so free. What is the meaning of so free? They are free to fly in the garden. So this line shows the butterflies are flying free. Fifth question. Which lines from the poem tell us that the squirrel cannot sit still? What is the question? Which lines from the poem tell us that the squirrel cannot sit still? Answer. The frisky squirrel with his nuts. The frisky squirrel with his nuts. What do you mean by frisky? Frisky means playful. So here the frisky squirrel, the playful squirrel with his nuts. This line shows that the squirrel cannot sit still.
Why do you think the speaker likes her garden so much? In the poem, the speaker talks about how beautiful and colorful her garden is. She loves to spend the time in the garden. She loves the flowers, the butterflies, birds, lawn, the pool, and everything. She wants to share the beauty of her garden with everyone. There is an activity in your textbook. Find words in the poem that rhyme with these words. So what is rhyming word? Rhyming words are the two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. So here you can see 6 words. We have to find out the words in the poem that rhyme with these words. Let's find out. Usually rhyming words comes at the end of the lines, but here you need to find out the words which rhymes together. The first word is flowers. Which word is similar to this word? Hours. Flowers, hours. Both these words end with the sound S. Next word, white. Which word rhymes with this word white? Yes, bright. White, bright. Both these words end with the sound T. Next word, cool. Cool. Which word is rhyme with this word cool? It is pool. Very good. Cool, pool. See the next word, green. Which word rhyme with this word green? Green, seen. Very good. Next word, free. Free. Which word rhyme with this word free? It is tree. Free, tree. Let's see the next word, you. You. Which word rhyme with the word you? It is do. You do.
Children, I hope you understood today's class. You have to write these notes in your notebook and have to study. In this lesson, we learned a beautiful poem, My Garden. In that poem, the poet says about her garden, her beautiful garden. In her garden, we could see the flowers, the birds, the animals and everything. And they are happy. Why? Because they are free. We have to love plants and they will love them back. So I hope you enjoyed this poem. We will meet in another day. Until then, take care, be happy, bye.